products, I'm going to say right off the top or right offhand, you need to get them. Like, you need to go out and get these products. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brianna. I go by Bri for short if you're new. Thank you so much for clicking on my video, and if you're returning, as always, welcome back. So yes, if you read by the title today, yes, we are doing my feminine hygiene haul for 2021, y'all. Well, actually this is for the winter / fall months. These products that I am going to show you guys today are mainly for like the winter and fall months, since it is like more in the drier season, even though Texas is doing its own damn thing with the weather. But anyway, besides that point, yes, I'm doing a haul today. So if you're interested in seeing exactly all the good products that I do have, let me tell you, these products are A1. So yes, that's what this video is all about. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe since you are new, and let's go ahead and jump into the video. Okay, so this is a haul. So this is basically what I do like in my shower routine or my feminine hygiene routine. These are the products that I use, or for, you know, for this season or these 2 seasons anyway. So yes, my very first product, I don't know where I've been slept on this particular brand, and I've always been a Dove girl, but lately, for the past since June, July, I've been into this particular brand, and the brand that I'm referring to is Olay. Y'all, I have fell in love with Olay, and purchasing their body wash. I don't know where I have been, but this is the Olay body wash. It's their ultra moisturizing body wash. It's in the scent coconut oil. Y'all, when I tell you this scent smells hella good and it lasts all day, it really does. Like, I always go back to this one. I've picked up the sea salt one and I've picked up the turmeric one, but I always go back to this one because this is my baby. This is my jam. And all of their latest ones that I have used, they're all super moisturizing. So I love this particular body wash, and I love especially for it in the drier months. So I would highly suggest on getting this. And this does contain vitamin B3 that helps to rejuvenate your skin, plump your skin, and moisturize your skin. And y'all, when I tell you it does exactly that, that's what it does. So I will have all the products down below. Of course, this is at your local Walmart, CVS, every place, Target. But I still have it down below. But yes, all these products, I'm going to say right off the top or right offhand, you need to get them. Like, you need to go out and get these products, basically. Yeah. Okay, so the next thing I do always go in after I do my body wash and everything. I'm trying to see how long I've been using this product or this brand. I've been using this brand, I want to say, on and off for the past like 2 to 3 years, I want to say, and I always go back to it. Either I'm using this or I'm using Dove's sensitive body wash for cleaning hair down there. So anyway, I use this. This is my baby. This is my jam. I always go back to this one. This is Dr. Bronner's Pure Castor Soap. Y'all, if you're not hip to it, you need to get hip to it. This is absolutely amazing for cleaning on the outer parts, not the inner parts, not all the way in there. I'm assuming that everybody knows, or we all know, what you're supposed to be doing down there. But anyway, this is the next product that I do go in with. I'm not sure what it is, but have you squeaky clean. Okay, I either go in with the peppermint, but the peppermint one, you have to dilute it. So I really don't like to go in with that one. So this is the one that I usually go in with. This is the baby unscented one, and this has been my go-to. I've never had issues with anything down there. She's very sensitive, so this, either this or Dove scented or unscented soap basically. Okay, so this is new to my routine, but I had to include it since we are in a fall/winter season. I have, since I've been introduced or reintroduced to Olay, I had to go out and get the actual body conditioner. I have the Olay body conditioner, and this is the shea butter one. This is, and of course it does have B3. I think a lot of their products have B3 in it, basically for, you know, moisturizing your skin. All these products that I'm showing you guys today helps keep my skin smooth, moisturized, and smelling hella good. So with this one, since it is a body conditioner, basically you know, put it on all over your body, and then I let it sit on there for like a good 2 to 3 minutes, I think. And then I like to rinse it off and everything. So actually I do this step last, closer when I'm getting out the shower, but since I grabbed it, I'm talking about it next. Anyway, so yes, since I've been introduced to this one, I don't say I always use it. I try to use this because this is a little bottle, and it's like around, I know it's less than $10, but I'm like, dang, I don't want to waste all my product using it every day. So I try to use it at least twice a week, or maybe like once a week. But this is amazing, and it doesn't really, it's shea butter. It really doesn't have like a sweet scent or anything like that, but I'm telling you, you need to go out and get this product. Well, my next product that I like to go in, I only go in like once a week with this. It helps with for my legs, because my legs tend to have strawberry, I have like, you know, little strawberry legs. That's from shaving from all these years or whatnot. And if you know what I'm talking about when it comes to strawberry legs, the melanin skin tends to get that more often. So what I use in conjunction for that, shout out to Yoni Rose for introducing me to this product. I go in with the First Aid Beauty body scrub, which has the 10% AHA. I got the travel size or the mini size because I didn't know how I would feel about this product before I bought it in full, but I'm telling you, you guys, this has smoothed out my legs so much, and my elbows help to brighten my elbows and everything. And it's been another staple in my collection. So, but I usually try to use it once a month because I know it's kind of harsh on the skin. If you have sensitive skin, make sure you know, try it out in the patch area. I have sensitive skin, but I can tolerate some stuff. I don't know, it's kind of weird. It's kind of weird dynamic. But anyway, so that is another staple that I do use, like I stated. And yeah, so since we still are into exfoliating the body, or my body, the next product that has been a staple for like almost a year is exfoliating scrub by the Tree Hut. The sugar scrub, the Shea Sugar Scrub, and this is the vitamin C scrub. Oh my goodness. When I usually go in with the Moroccan Rose, that's my favorite. This has always been my favorite, but this vitamin C one is so good. I get this from Ulta, and it smells so good, and I just feel like incorporating this vitamin C scrub. But the benefits, you're exfoliating your body, you're getting this smooth, but at the same time, the benefits of vitamin C is you're getting rid of hyperpigmentation, your skin is getting brighter, and I just think that is a wonderful benefit, having this in this particular product. And since it is the winter time, fall/winter time, I think it's still very important to make sure you incorporate stuff like this, vitamin stuff that does help benefit your skin. So yes, I absolutely love this. Tree Hut is under $10. Another staple product that's in my routine, and it's under $10. Very very, very affordable. The next thing, stepping out of the shower, I think that's everything that's in the shower. Yeah, okay. Stepping outside of the shower, I like to let her breathe a little bit. I mean, not, yeah, for a little while, because she needs to be let go. I mean, she needs to breathe. Like, okay, we get that part. Anyway, so after I do that, go in with this sweet cookie oil by, I can't remember the name of the brand. I think it's called Sweet Cookie Wash or Sweet Cookie something. I'll definitely have the link down below. But y'all, this is so moisturizing. I put this on in between my legs. Not my legs. Well, yeah, I put this on in between like the inner part of my thighs, and also I put this on the outer perimeter of her down there. And y'all, when I say this helps soothe and moisturize, it really does. Especially, they say that this is good for, after you shave, or after a good wax, or you just want to use it everyday basis like I do. I would highly suggest that. If you don't use anything like this for down there, you need to start. Like, seriously, you need to start, because you don't want to have chafing. I think this helps prevent chafing, and it smells so amazing. It's a little oil. It's an oil base, but it does like have a citrus smell to it. And if you heard the reviews or read the reviews, if you know, you know. So I think you guys should definitely incorporate this. But the thing about this is, her stuff sells out fast. This particular brand sells out fast. So if you want to get your hands on it, I would just suggest getting on it right away. If not, then you can use regular coconut oil. That's what I used to use, or I still use it. I use that if I don't use this. So coconut oil does help down there, especially for the inner parts of your legs and stuff. Okay, so I have a few more products, and the next product that I have, or I love to use, is a body butter. Yes, I've heard that the Fenty body butter is really, really good, but I use the I hope I'm saying this name right, y'all. Please forgive me. I get this at Ulta, or I got this at Ulta. The Josie Josie Maran whipped argan oil. This is the ultra hydrating body butter. All these products are hydrating. Well, some of the stuff except for this and this, but anyway, it just brings everything that you did in your routine all together. The thing is about this, I really don't like the smell too much. I mean, I really don't care for the smell too much. I really just care for the actual benefits of the product, and it does help replenish, condition, revitalize your skin. And it does have argan oil in it, so you know the benefits of that. And it's very like a butter texture. It's nothing too greasy. It's nothing too thick. It's just like a real nice buttery texture that I love putting on my skin, especially when I have especially when I shave. Like, it's so good. So if you haven't tried a body butter or anything like that, I would highly suggest on putting this in your actual routine, because this brings everything all together, and all these products will have you smelling good all day long. Hella good. Like, yes, hella good. But yes, this is the body butter that I do have, and like I said, I do want to try the Fenty one, but I heard it's good. So if you're wanting to try something like that, definitely try that one. Okay, so the last thing that I like to do now that I've started incorporating for like the past month or so, I like to spray like a nice light spray at nighttime. That locks everything in basically. So the two that I have been using, I've been using day and night. yeah, the two I have been using, or combo wise, I've been going in with my Fresh Cream warm cashmere little fragrance. It's so cute, y'all. I don't spray that much. I just spray some like right here and then like around my neck, and then that's good. I think this, oh my gosh, it's such a warm scent, and I just feel like it just completes my routine. So I usually go in with this one, and then sometimes if I want more of a powerful scent, I go in with this one, the Ebony Woods. I got this one at Ulta, and then I got this one from Zara. I do have a haul out. If you're interested in seeing that, I will have it up in the cards. Perfume haul. These are in that haul. Sometimes I use them both together, and then sometimes I use them, you know, either or. Both together, to me, or from what I smell, kind of smells like lavender a little bit. I don't know. That's what I'm getting, but I highly suggest or highly recommend you put that into your routine. That absolutely pulls everything together, and then spraying on like a nice light perfume at night, or yeah, perfume, not at night, or whenever you take a bath. Anyway, spraying that on, it just brings out like more of a luxury feel. Like after you've done everything, you know, just want to step it up. Just step it up a little bit, you know. Absolutely love it. Yes, that's basically everything that I do. I do incorporate like one more thing into my routine, but that's more for like, you know, down there and everything. But if you want a video about that, just let me know. But other than that, those are the products that I use that helps my skin into like a basic routine. I highly suggest on, you know, stepping it up a little bit and getting some of these products to help you feel good, smell good, and keep your body hydrated. I'm telling you guys, these products are A1. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for clicking on my video. As always, give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you want to see next down in the comment section down below. And thank you guys so much for clicking on my video today. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Subscribe down below right now. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and until next time, guys, bye.